What is going on, everybody? I hope everybody's enjoying their weekend. For those of you that are new, my name is Black Appeal the Apple Guy. I want to thank everybody for watching my video. Hit the subscription button if you're new to my channel. Today, for those of you who may or may not know, I am not at home. I'm actually in a hotel room. I'm in California attending VidCon. So for those of you that may not know what VidCon is, stay tuned for that. I'll have a plethora of videos on that. Actually, I'm not really doing any content as of right now other than just to do a quick unboxing of what I'm about to show. This is a new Rode mic. This is the Rode Mic Go. Now, a lot of YouTubers out there probably have one of these or have something similar to this or have the higher end versions. Actually, before I left to come down here Wednesday, I was actually trying to find one, and unfortunately the Best Buy that I have in Alaska doesn't carry this anymore. So I was walking around in the convention center. They have booths, which I'll have some videos on that. And I came upon this one called the Light Cube, and they actually had one of these. And unfortunately, I had a hard time trying to find one. I was letting the person know that I want one of these because I actually already have a Rode mic right now. So for those of you who may or may not know, I actually did an unboxing of the mic that I'm using on my camera right now in an earlier video with my GoPro on how to turn that into a vlogging camera. So I will drop a link in the description on that mic, but it's actually the same Rode mic, the same manufacturer as this one. That one is a Rode mic. And so I saw this, and they actually gave me a pretty good discount. So I thought, might as well buy it. So now I'm doing a quick unboxing of this. So we're just gonna do, a quick unboxing. Now, as you can see, it's just your standard shotgun mic. If you've never been to VidCon, I'm gonna drop a link in the description on a gentleman called Think Media. The guy's name is Sean Cannell. He's gonna actually, one of his channels explains why having good audio is better than everything else, because you can have a good video, have all the right shots and everything else, and then your audio just sucks. I'm not saying that the audio that I have from my that I'm using right now is bad. It's just I wanted something different than what I originally bought that Rode mic for. And now that I got myself a camera, as you can see, my Panasonic, I needed something that did a little bit more. And actually, in some ways, I think this is actually a lot better for me than using the Rode mic. As you can see, this one comes with the little black wire, I guess it's like the wire mesh that covers the microphone, as opposed to when I'm walking around with the Rode mic that I have now on my Panasonic. I'm not using the fuzzy bunny tail on it. I'm actually leaving it unexposed. So this, in a way, is kind of easier that way. That way I don't have to worry about if there's wind. I don't have to compensate for it, as it already has this on it to kind of protect it and filter that out. So we're just going to kind of go into this unboxing really quick. So let's see. It should be the same as what I gave on my other Rode. So obviously the box. So comes in a nice little protector thing. So you just pop that open. You have to forgive the mess. This is pretty much what my hotel room is like, a small desk, so a little bit of this and that. I've been doing a lot of transferring of photos and videos so that I can have space on my SDs. So this is the mic itself. As you can see, this is a little filter that comes with it. All Rode mics come with something similar to this. The only difference is that this one is more natural on this, as opposed to when I'm using the Rode Mini, the other one. That one comes with a fluffier tail one, so it's nice, but doesn't really work that well now that I have this. So it's just that. Comes with a 3.5mm jack, as you can see, and you just basically plug that into this, and then plugs into the audio in the back of your camera, and that's pretty much how it works. I don't suspect there being a difference in audio quality. Considering that they're both basically the same type of mic. They're both shotgun mics, so I don't see anything different between that. So, but yeah, that is the unboxing, and that is pretty much it for this. So again, this is Black Appeal the Apple Guy. I want to thank everybody for watching. If you're new, smash the subscribe button, hit the thumbs up if this was helpful. Again, I'm doing a giveaway of a GoPro once I reach the subscriber goal of 245. then I will be giving away a GoPro to that lucky subscriber. And I have to apologize that I won't be doing any more. I won't be dropping a lot of content while I'm at VidCon. This is the first one I actually will be dropping since last Thursday. Obviously, if you subscribe, you know I drop a new video at least once every other Thursday. So this is pretty much what I have right now. I just wanted to show that I have a better mic now, and that's it. So again, thanks everybody, and have a good one.